look at how beautiful this stitch. It's a Garter Chevron, just gorgeous, and it looks the same on both sides. Look how nice that is. I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. These are number 6 US needles, which is the same as 4 millimeters. And this is a number 3 yarn. So let's do this. It's very, very simple. You do the same thing on both sides. So it's just a matter of repeating, and you can learn it in no time. So this is a multiple of 12 plus 1, and I added 2 on the edges, 1 on each edge. So let's do this. I started with a long tail cast on, so you make your slip knot. We have a video on how to do this. So cast on your stitches, kind of separate there because you don't want them bunched up. So cast on your stitches, and then once you have the amount that you want, you are going to knit the first row. So knit the first row, and once you have knitted the first row, you start with your stitch, and you're going to be doing the same on both sides. So on every time you start your row, you're going to knit 1 and knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, we need this symmetry. So anyway, this is where the repetition starts, and you want to knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this stitch you're going to knit from the front and from the back. So knit this stitch from the front, turn your needle and knit that same stitch through the back. So now you added a stitch. Now you're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. That's a whole repetition. So let's do that again. We are going to knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit the front and the back of that stitch, front and back, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way you end is the same as just you don't have the last 5. So let's do that. You knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit front and back of that same stitch, and end with knit 1, which is the edge stitch. So let's do that again, because you do it on both sides. and we knit 1 and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means I have 7 in total. 2, 4, 6, 7. Now I am going to, this is where the repetition starts. Knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knit front and back of that same stitch, front and back, and knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do that again. The repetition is knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit front and back of that same stitch, and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way you're going to end, the row is going to be knit 2 stitches together, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit front and back of that same stitch, and knit the last one, and that's it. You repeat the whole thing on both sides. Isn't this pretty? So it looks the same on both sides. So thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. You see, this doesn't curl at all because it's all garter. Thank you.